Hey there, welcome to Romify X. All right, folks. So, when you're setting up your phone, make sure the bootloader is unlocked. Super important. Also, double check that no Google account or My Account is linked. Keep it clean and ready to go. Copy the ROM and recovery files, then paste them into the ADB and Fastboot folder. Hold the volume down and power buttons until you enter Fastboot mode. Flash the recovery with this command. Boot the phone into recovery mode. Click on Format Data. Click on Format Cache. Double-click on Format System. Go to the Apply Update section and flash the ROM using this command. Hey everyone, for gaps, I totally recommend going with the CRDroid ones. They're perfect for this ROM. You can grab them straight from the CRDroid website, super easy and smooth. Check it out. So, I've been messing around with the CRDroid ROM based on Android 16, and wow, it's awesome. You get this super cool dark theme that makes everything look sleek, plus you can totally customize your phone, like changing the icons or even the lock screen vibes. The battery lasts way longer, like I'm getting an extra day out of it, and the sound? Oh man, it's like having a mini concert with those awesome audio tweaks. Plus it runs super smooth, no lag at all. Give it a try, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching.